Hi everyone. I just got out of the shower and I'm having I'm cold literally. I'm not having a cold or I'm not sick. I have been sick a couple of days ago, but I made a video about it, but now I'm not sick. I'm just stuffy and cold because I I just came out of the shower and I wanted to make a video. So, yeah. So oh, excuse me guys. I'm sorry guys. I really can't stop. I think I'm be ending the video guys right now because I need to put some warmer clothes on. So I'm sorry guys, but I'm really cold, so bye then.